Okay, this is the homework 1 through 10 worksheet, and I also have the textbook, page 48, 1 through 10 on this, hopefully the same slideshow. So, use the coordinate plane below, give the coordinates for each point. You have to go through, and they did P is -4. So, remember, the first number always tells you to go left and right. The second number always tells you to go up and down. So, the P is -4. The next value is 2 up, so it's -4, 2. The R is going to be -4, so it's going to be 4 to the left. -1 means -1 down. I'm not going to read through all of these. I'll just leave it on here. You guys can check it. Feel free to pause the video here, but remember, whatever's in the first column tells you to go left or right. Whatever in the second column tells you to go either up or down on the coordinate plane. And we always start from the point of origin. Next. Oh, that's not good. It says, plot the points on the coordinate plane below. In which quadrant is each point located? So if you went through that, S is 3, 2. So 3 to the right, 2 up is S. T is 0 to the right, -1 down. U is -4, -2, which is there. V is 4, 0, 4 to the right, 0 down. W is -2, 1, so -2 to the left, 1 up. Z is 2, -2, so 2 to the right, -2 down. Then it gives the quadrants that they're in. S is in 1, W is in 2, U is in 3, Z is in 4. In which quadrant is each point located? And we did that. Okay, so just remember, one way to remember this, by the way, is C stands for correct. If you're trying to remember how to do your quadrants, it goes around. Just a little side note. Next question. Points R and S are reflections of each other about the y-axis. Use the coordinate planes below and give the coordinates of the point S if the coordinates of point R are the following. So I just started right off with 3, 9, 3 to the right, 9 over. Now, oh, I messed that one up. Gotta fix that. This should be right here. Oh no, that's right. Some of you have figured out that if we're reflecting over the y-axis, we just change the x value. And if you're reflecting over the x-axis, you just change the y value. That's one way of doing it. It's perfectly fine. So if we look at this, R is 3 spaces to the right of the y-axis, then you move 3 places to the left. S is 1, 2, 3, 4, or R is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spots to the left of the y-axis, then the S would be 7 to the right. Same with these two. All right, moving forward to the next one. Same idea here. I plotted them out for you. We're reflecting over the x-axis, so it's going to look a little different, but these will be your answers. And you should be able to check that. I might see if I can grab all of this and just slide it upward. Nope. Again. There we go. 3, -9. So 3 to the right, -9 down. If we're reflecting over the axis, that would be 3, 9 is 3 to the right, then 9 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Same idea, you would go 3 to the right, but then 9 down. So this time we're changing all of the y values because we're reflecting over the x. So -7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. -4 is going to be down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I really messed that up when I moved it. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we reflect it over the x-axis, it should be -7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, everything shifted up 1. If we look at this one, -5, -6, -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Check that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that one would be 5, 6, and this should be a Q, not a P. Eight, -2. So 8 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And up 2 is right here. But Q would be down 2, and then its reflection would be up 2 from there. I have no idea what that point is right there. So we're just going to delete it. These are the correct answers. I just messed up my reflections when I tried shifting them out. Out of the textbook, give the coordinates for each point. In which quadrant are they located? So we have A is in 2, 6, which is 2 to the right, 6 up. B is 6, 2. Those are both located in quadrant 1. 3, 0. 3 to the right, 0 up is also in quadrant 1. 4, -9, so 4 to the right, -9 down is going to be D, and that's going to be quadrant 4. 0, -2 is, I have no idea what quadrant that would be in. And -1, 9 is going to be in quadrant 2. So I would say that this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So anything in those will be the correct quadrants. Use graph paper, plot the plots, points. Should look like this. It says in which quadrant is each one located. I've listed them out. I don't need to read them to you. Again, quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. The first number tells you to go left and right. Second number tells you to go up and down. Use graph paper. Points A and B are reflections of each other about the x-axis. Give the coordinates of point B if the coordinates of point A are the following. So if A was 4, 1, and we've reflected it over the x-axis, we reflect it over that axis, B is going to be 4, -1. Same thing here, -2, 3. Reflect it, it's going to be -2, -3. Number 5 is 2, -2, so 2 to the right, 2 down, so its reflection would be 2, 2. It's not just something Mr. G wears on weekends anymore. Number 6 is -1, -3, so -1, then 3 down. Then we would go across the x-axis 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, so you get -1, 3. Same idea here, folks, except now we're reflecting across the y-axis. So for C, you'd start with 4, 1, and then you get -4, 1. Number 8, it looks a little askew, but it's 2. We start off with -2, 3, flip it over to 2, 3, because there's the axis. So it's 1, 2 away from the y-axis, then just continue on 1, 2 past the y-axis. Number 10 started off with 1 away from the y-axis, continue on 1 past, and the correct answer is 1, -3. Number 9, I don't think I went over. The correct answer is -2, -2. And I believe that's it for the homework. Hope this helps. Have a good one. Bye.